Hi, this is Dr. Ravi Godse, a physician and filmmaker from Pennsylvania. I have a short message for the Doctor's Day. What do you mean just one Doctor's Day? Every day should be Doctor's Day and every day should be Patient's Day. Do you think your mother prays for you only on Mother's Day? Like they say in India, if nobody is a VIP, then everybody is a VIP. If everybody gets in the queues suddenly get shorter. So, respecting doctors is a two-way street. You respect the doctors, they will respect you. So doctor is never going to say that I'm on vacation, don't bother me. But try and respect some boundaries. Don't bombard them with text, WhatsApp messages all the time. So how do you find a doctor that you trust? It's really simple. If a doctor tells you to go to a particular lab, does that mean the doctor is going to get a cut from that lab? Or does that mean the lab is reliable? It's very simple. The time that you spend second guessing what the doctor is telling you, spend that time in finding one trustworthy doctor. Go to him or her and then listen to them. It's really simple. Then don't second guess the doctor. And if you're telling me that you can't find a single trustworthy doctor, then there is something seriously wrong with our system. What about the bad doctors and the bad actors? What about the doctors who are using steroids to treat every condition? They need to be rooted out. But we doctors don't want to get into that business. The government should do that. As if the government can use the 1897 Pandemic Act to compel doctors to do things, they can find some act and statute to take care of these bad actors. And even these bad actors need not be beaten up. There is too much violence. Like if there's a car accident, buying train tickets, doctor, there's too much violence in a regular life. I think it's a remnant effect from old Bollywood movies. Like you're driving and somebody gets pumped and somebody comes and says, "Set, क्या गरीबों के जान की कोई कीमत नहीं होती?" और नॉनसेंस यार, अमीरों के जान की भी कीमत होती है. All lives are precious. तो झगड़ा मत करो. So how do you begin to stop erosion of trust? Because the contentious issue is fees. There's a Subhashit in Sanskrit that says, Vaidyaraja namastubhyam Yamaraja sahodara Yamastu harati pranan Vaidyan pranan dhananicha. Means the doctor is going to take your life and your money. There is nothing wrong in making money, because if we stop paying our doctors well, then the medical profession is not going to attract good students. You are going to get the consultants that you pay for. You are going to get the politicians you vote for. It's simple. Can the doctors do a little bit better? Sure. Yeah. Means we give a vibe that we are very busy and our lives are not worth it. That's wrong, because if medical life was so bad, why we are sending all our kids into medical colleges? And if we are too busy to talk to a patient, then what's the point of being busy? Also, we need to listen more. Means if an open-ended interview, we ask the patient the question, how do you feel? That interview lasts only 15 seconds more than a regular interview. So if we listen to the patients a little bit more, let them say their piece, I think the trust will be much better. So वो गालिब कहता था ना इन अ डिफरेंट अंदाज कि उनके देखे से आ जाती है मुंह पे जो रौनक, वो समझते हैं कि बीमार का हाल अच्छा है. What if we go back to old days, or what if we develop a world where we like each other so much, that just by seeing each other we start feeling better? Wouldn't that be the ideal place to be? That's a short message for Doctor's Day. Dr. Ravi Godse. Thank you.